Okay, ladies, so in this video I'm going to show you how I did these nails. I did not record me doing these just because it was just too hard. So I am going to do them on practice nails or nail tips. These are the nail tips I'm going to be using. I got these on eBay. I will leave a link below. They're just long stilettos, deep well. So as you can see, I have two different types of nails. I have the glass foiled nail right here and then right here, and that's actually something I'm going to be reviewing, and that is from Beauty Big Bang. It is their glass foils, or you might as well call them just foils. They're just foil. This is them. Comes in, I think you get like 24 pieces, and you get every color you can think of, every color. And I've been playing around with these and seeing which way they work best. These don't work with foil glue. These are the type that you're going to cut up, or you're going to do that glass type of nail, you know, where you can actually see, like this one here, where you're going to encapsulate that. So that's what these are for. Or you can cut them up and make them look like stained glass. Well, I got this idea from a lady on Instagram, and I'm going to shout her out. And that is where I got the idea. I absolutely love these. The only thing different, she used gold, and she also put like little stones in hers where I didn't. Do, of course, on your own nail is buff the surface, get it ready for application for gel polish, because you want something for it to stick to. So you're going to buff these nails. I'm not going to do that right now, but I am going to lay a base layer for you guys. And I am using my Model 1's base coat and top coat for this video. So the first thing you're going to do is that. So we're going to lay a base layer on both of these nails. Let's do the dark blue. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and just roll it around in your hands. Just squish it, kind of like a stiletto. The glitter that I used is this one here, and this is the Madame Glam Stardust. It is such a beautiful color and a beautiful hollow glitter. Now I did 2 coats of this, but you don't have to do 2 coats. You can do 1 if you want. I think 1 is pretty good, because you're not gonna, it's gonna be coming through the foil, or the foil, you'll see. So you're just gonna give yourself a nice layer of this beautiful polish. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Okay, I'm gonna cure this now for 60 seconds, and we are gonna use foil glue just so it helps to adhere the foil to the nail. And you're going to try to get, you know, pretty fairly good coverage. You can do 2 coats on this as well, if you like. I did 2 coats. But I think if I get it thick enough, it will be fine. Foil glue. You can use any old foil glue that you want. Go ahead and put that on the nail. You don't need a whole lot. You just want to have enough to where the foil can stick to. Now it will stick to the tacky layer of this polish, but it's not as sticky as the foil glue, and I want it to lay down flat. So that's why I'm using foil glue. Now you're going to have your alcohol ready. I also use these little micro tips, and they can be found on Amazon. They're for like eyelashes. They're called microfiber tips, and you can get them in all different sizes. Mine are just a small, it's just like a small little microfiber tip right there, and it's just easy to apply when you have the ink or whatever. But you are going to use just regular isopropyl alcohol. I have like 91% here in this bottle. I'm going to take my color, my Sharpies, And I'm just going to go ahead and just start making squigglies all over the nail, just like that. Very simple to do. I'm going to take my alcohol, I'm going to spritz this, and I'm just going to start tapping the nail, and I'm going to start moving around that ink. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spritz this one more time. You're going to start moving that ink around. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get a new microfiber tip. I'm going to spritz it with alcohol. Get it real nice and wet with the alcohol. I'm going to start applying it over here. We're going to move that ink around. I'm going to cover all my white spots. I don't want any white spots. Look at that nail. Isn't that beautiful? So already right there, you can kind of see like a flower design. You could even outline that if you wanted. I mean, there's so many possibilities you could do with ink. You're going to set it aside, and we're going to let that completely dry before we top coat that. So I'm going to check this out and see how it looks. I think that's going to fit perfectly, actually. I am going to round my corners a little. Okay, just like that. And make sure I've got the right side. Yep. Alright. Now you're just going to take this. Let me turn this around so you guys can see. You're going to take it and you're going to lay it on the nail if you can. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to just, oh, I do have it over a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Take it and you're just going to press down. Press all the way down. I'm going to take off the edge. I'm going to cut all that excess off before I encapsulate this. And you're just going to keep pressing. Press all of the bubbles out. You're still going to have those little, creases. I'm going to just use my Super Nail Clear Builder Gel. So I just take a little bit of my clear gel. And I just encapsulate it. Make sure it's sticking down. These don't want to stick. Just make sure it's all laying down. Shit. I just got... Okay, here we go. Alright, and then you're going to start at the top. Bring that gel down over the whole nail. I'm going to have to get some more. Right now it's so cold. It doesn't want to move. So encapsulate, encapsulate. Make sure you get the sides real good. You're going to top coat this as well. But I like to encapsulate my designs. because it stays for a lot longer. Alright, so after you have encapsulated, let that sit and self-level for a minute, and then you're going to do a full 60-second cure, or 2 minutes depending on your lamp. Alright, so into the lamp. Alright, now we're going to go back to the ink nail. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and top coat this. And how I'm going to top coat is I'm going to float it. I'm using my Model 1's top coat. It's a really nice top coat. But you're going to float it. You're going to get a nice hefty amount on the end of your brush, and you're going to pull that down. You don't want to touch the nail, or you want to try to avoid touching the nail at all possible. And then you're going to go ahead and fully cure this. Now the only thing I did was I added some gems. So put that on. Whoa, come here, you little guy. Don't go too far. These are really hard to see. We're going to go ahead and fully cure that. I am going to put a top coat on here really quick along with my, go ahead and put a nice top coat on here. You can seal your stones in. Of course, you have the gel holding them right now, but you can go ahead and go around them, you know, seal those in really good. And look how pretty that nail is. Alright, go ahead and cure fully. So, what we're going to do with this one, I am going to be using LV May Color Gel because I love it, and it's a lot thicker than a regular gel. Also going to be putting a little bit of my glitter polish on here. This is the color we're going to be using. It's by LV May. These are on eBay. I absolutely love them. I have every color, I think, except for pink. And I outlined the top first. The top of the nail around the cuticle area. And then you can go all the way down the side. If you're going to find like the designs, like you kind of want to trace the color. Like you're tracing the color, kind of like that. Alright, then I'm going to bring it out here. And we'll go around there like that. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and do a 30-second cure on this because we're going to do a second layer. My 10% off code here right now, so if you want to order the foil, go ahead and order it. It's just like confection paper that you can get at like Dollar Tree, but it is very cheap and you get 24 pieces. Now, since we've got the first layer on, you're going to go ahead and do the second layer. You guys do not have to watch me do this part if you do not want, but this is going to build up your lines, and you want those built up for this look. I didn't necessarily build up too much of my outside or about by my cuticle, but I did. Okay, so that's, I think I've got them all. I'm going to go ahead and fully cure that now. I'm going to take my glitter, get a little bit on my brush, and I'm just going to pick a spot and I'm going to fill it in with the glitter. And depending on how many spots you have, you can do 1, you can do 2, whatever. Just gives it a little more bling for the new year. Alright, I do want to show you how I top coat this. I take my top coat and I wipe the brush. I wipe it really, really good. Just leaving a little bit of the top coat there. And then I go ahead and go around everything. You may need to put a little bit more on there. But there you go. That's it. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is the nails and how I did mine for the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for coming once again. It's been a great year, and I just hope to make 2018 better. So thank you all once again for being loyal, subscribing to my channel, supporting me, leaving comments. I appreciate all of you. Love you all. Thank you with me in 2017. I have appreciated each and every one of you. Don't forget, click the subscribe button if you haven't. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And like the video, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.